My name is Zach Gardner, and for Rapid Metal Fab, basically what we're doing is trying to incorporate some automation with any type of equipment that we can possibly make. We are CAD capable here at Rapid Metal Fab, SolidWorks, Inventor, Autodesk Fusion, and also Autodesk Electrical. So how I would incorporate in doing so would be to design any type of electrical circuit, also then goes into any type of build diagram for control panels, electrical circuitry, that's any type of field wiring, and then also the programming that goes along with it. So in saying that, that means that we are Automation Direct capable, Allen Bradley capable. Those are the two main things that we typically stick by to give the customers an option as far as budget.